Canned sardines often evoke mixed feelings. Many people view them as an acquired taste or a nostalgic food from childhood. However, these small fish are packed with nutritional value that can significantly benefit your health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, sardines are known to support heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels. They're also an excellent source of protein, providing essential amino acids that help build and repair tissues. Additionally, sardines are loaded with vitamins and minerals including vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium and selenium, which contribute to overall well-being. What might surprise you is that incorporating sardines into your diet can enhance brain function, improve bone density, and even boost mood due to their nutrient density. As we delve deeper into the health benefits of canned sardines, you'll discover how they can be a convenient and delicious addition to your meals. Sardines are small fish belonging to the herring family, and their name is derived from the Mediterranean island of Sardinia, where they were once abundant. These fish are typically consumed whole, which allows for a unique nutritional profile that sets them apart from many other seafood options. Additionally, sardines are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, and selenium. The presence of calcium is particularly noteworthy, as it comes from the edible bones, making sardines an excellent option for those looking to boost their calcium intake without dairy. Overall, sardines offer a convenient and nutritious way to enhance your diet, delivering a wealth of health benefits in a small, flavorful package. Sardines offer a multitude of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to any diet. One of the most significant advantages is their contribution to heart health, primarily due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D, on the other hand, aids in calcium absorption, further enhancing bone density and strength. Furthermore, emerging research suggests that sardines may have a role in diabetes prevention. The connection between sardines and cognitive function is increasingly supported by scientific studies that highlight the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids found in these small fish. Research has shown that omega-3s, particularly DHA or docosahexaenoic acid, play a crucial role in brain health, contributing to improved memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. While omega-3 supplements are widely available, they often lack the additional vitamins and minerals found in whole food sources, which can enhance their effectiveness. Moreover, sardines are a cost-effective alternative to expensive omega-3 supplements, making them accessible to a broader audience. Concerns about mercury contamination in seafood are valid, especially given the potential health risks associated with high levels of mercury exposure. However, sardines are considered a safer seafood option, largely due to their small size and shorter lifespan. While sardines are a nutritious option, it's essential to emphasize the importance of moderation and variety in seafood consumption. Incorporating a diverse range of seafood can help minimize exposure to contaminants while maximizing nutritional benefits. Their low mercury levels, combined with their rich nutrient profile, make them an excellent choice for these populations, providing essential omega-3 fatty acids and other vital nutrients without the associated risks of higher mercury fish. By choosing sardines, you can enjoy a delicious and healthful seafood option that supports overall well-being while addressing safety concerns. Consuming sardines offers notable environmental benefits, particularly when compared to larger fish species. Sardine fishing generally has a lower environmental impact due to their abundance and the methods used to catch them. These small fish reproduce quickly and in large numbers, making them a sustainable choice that helps maintain healthy ocean ecosystems. Additionally, sardines serve as an excellent protein source with a significantly lower carbon footprint than many land-based protein options, such as beef or pork. This makes them an eco-friendly choice for those looking to reduce their environmental impact while still enjoying nutritious meals. As awareness of environmental issues grows, making informed decisions about food sources becomes increasingly important. Incorporating sardines into your diet not only supports personal health, but also aligns with a commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. Incorporating sardines into your meals can be both simple and delicious, offering a variety of ways to enjoy this nutritious fish. One easy method is to add canned sardines to salads. Simply toss them with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette for a quick and healthy lunch. Encouraging experimentation with flavors can make sardines even more appealing. Try adding spices like smoked paprika, lemon zest, or fresh herbs to enhance their taste. You can also pair sardines with different sauces such as mustard or hot sauce to suit your palate. Additionally, pay attention to packaging. Opt for sardines packed in water or olive oil for healthier choices. By exploring these practical tips, you can easily incorporate sardines into your diet while enjoying their numerous health benefits. In summary, sardines are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits that make them an excellent addition to your diet. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they support heart health, enhance cognitive function, and contribute to strong bones due to their high calcium and vitamin D content. Additionally, sardines are a sustainable seafood choice with a lower environmental impact compared to larger fish, making them a responsible option for eco-conscious consumers. As we've explored, incorporating sardines into your meals can be simple and delicious with various recipes and flavor combinations to suit any palate. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the advantages of sardines. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. We also invite you to explore our related videos on seafood nutrition and sustainable eating practices. Don't hesitate to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Whether you're a sardine enthusiast or just starting to explore this nutritious fish, we'd love to hear your experiences and any recipes you'd like to share. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.